So today we will discuss why rust never stops once it starts. Rusting is a chemical reaction. It's not just dirt on metal. Iron rusts when it reacts with oxygen and water. These reactions form iron oxide, which we call rust. Okay, so basically iron oxide is called rust. Rust is an electrochemical reaction. Okay, it happens in tiny steps on the metal surface. On iron, some areas lose electron and this is called oxidation, and some areas gain electron and this is called reduction. This process creates a mini circuit on the metal, and once this circuit starts, it keeps running as long as oxygen and water are present. Rust is actually porous. It has a tiny holes, so these tiny holes allow water and air to pass through. This is the key reason that rust keeps spreading. So fresh iron reacts again and more rust form. Okay, so because this process exposes the fresh iron underneath, so this fresh iron reacts again and the more rust form. Rust expands and it's break the metal, and at last it completely break the metal. And you know that the rust, when rust form, it expands, it crack the metal surface and it exposes the deeper layer, and this create a chain reaction. Rust create the cracks create more exposure, and more exposure create more rust. So this process happening every time, and that's why the rusting process never stop. So rust never stops on its own because it exposes more iron, allowing the reaction to continue endlessly unless oxygen or water is blocked.